You want to make money, right? That's why we are all here. But let me ask you something. Why do you want to make money? To buy iPhone, to get trips, or to just get rich? See, the guys you are following on social media, the ones flexing cars, luxury trips, showing off cash and laptops, and talking about freedom, they are making money. Or at least it looks like they are. And yet you are not. Why? If I had to sum it up in one word, the purpose. Most of you want to get rich. That's it. Just rich, no plan, nothing. But if you ask this content creator, they will say, I want to be a filmmaker. I want to be a model. I want to build an audience. I want to create a business. Their purpose drives them. Money is the byproduct of it. And here's the truth. Most of the so-called rich guys you are seeing online, they make money by selling you the dream of making money. They are not making millions from dropshipping or crypto. They are making it from selling courses, ebooks, affiliate links, and masterminds. They flex in a Lambo, then tell you you can have this too. Just buy my course. And you fall for it and they get rich. And the cycle repeats. It's a smart system and you are the product. Let's be real. You watched a 30-second video of a guy flipping from broke to baller with some stock footage. And now you think that's the secret. You believe if you copy this step, you'll be next. But have you ever actually sat down and researched them? Have you ever asked where do they really earn from? Is this real? Is it sustainable? And let me guess, no, you haven't. Because your attention span is fried. And this isn't entirely your fault, but it is your responsibility. This generation is so weak, distracted and addicted. You are getting high off dopamine loops, flexing reels, soft porn, Instagram feeds and fake validations. What happened to discipline? What happened to purpose? What happened to building something real that you are keep talking about? We say the system is broken, the government doesn't care, and everything is stacked against us. But here's the harsh truth. We are the system and we are the problem. You want to change the world, but you can't even change yourself. Let me guess, your screen time is 7 hours a day. Your subscription is filled with fake gurus, models, meme pages, and mind-numbing junk. Let me ask you this. What did you learn from Instagram yesterday? Not a damn thing. We talk about success like it's owed to us. Like if we manifest hard enough, it will appear. But success doesn't care about your feeling. Doesn't care if you are tired. It only respects results. You say you want to be a millionaire or a billionaire. Then start acting like one. And I don't think with this mentality you can ever be that. Get your focus back. Build real skills, stop chasing dopamine, and start doing the hard, boring, uncomfortable things daily. That's how winners are made. You think you can fake your way to a Rolls Royce. 98% of you watching this right now won't even come close to it. And it's not because you can't. It's because you won't. You lack focus, grit, execution, consistency. And you are busy scrolling, not building, watching and not learning, consuming, not creating. And here is the killer part. You actually could be great. You could be the next innovator, the next creator, the next voice of this generation. But you are wasting it, blaming the system, failing for illusions, and drowning in distractions. And you know what's even sadder? And you think that's normal. This isn't just about India. This is a global crisis of wasted potential. We have got artists, athletes, visionaries all being swallowed by algorithm addiction. Social media could be your tool, but instead it's your trap. So here is your wake-up call. Stop chasing quick rich. Start chasing growth and value. You want real change? Then turn off your notification. Learn a high-income skill. Hit the gym. Lock yourself, build real connection, focus for long terms, because if you don't, you will end up as just another lost kid in the comment section of a fake guru's video typing one day I'll be there too. And that day will never come. Final message, you are not just fighting for money, you are fighting for your future, your mind and your freedom. And listen, if you have come this far in this video, then maybe, just maybe, there's still some fire left in you. Maybe you are one of those rare individuals who actually want to change. Not for the clout, not for the likes, but for yourself. You know what's crazy? This same phone you scroll mindlessly on every single day, it holds the power to change your life. Right now you can choose to follow a different path. But no, you will probably finish this video, click the next dopamine hit reel, laugh at some guy's prank and forget everything I just said. And that's the difference. Winners don't forget. Winners don't scroll. Winners listen, act and repeat it 1,000 times until it becomes who they are. See, you don't need another motivational reel. You don't need another shortcut to get rich. You need a mirror. Look into that mirror and ask, am I proud of the person I am right now? If the answer is no, then stop wasting time and do something about it. Because in the end, you are not competing with rich kid on Instagram. You are not competing with me or anyone else. You are at war with who you were yesterday. And let me tell you something else they don't say on social media. This game is long, it's dirty and it's lonely, and it will break you over and over again. But the ones who make it, they learn how to break back. They don't give in, they go dark, they go hard, and they come out on top. So if you are waiting for someone to come and save you, then stop. No one is coming. No mentor, no gurus, no influencer. Just you versus you. Every second you waste is a second someone else is using to lap you. So either keep blaming the system or beat it. Either cry about the algorithm or become the algorithm. Either stay a sheep or become the wolf. The choice is yours. And remember one thing, if you don't sacrifice for your dream will become the sacrifice. So start acting like it from today. Thanks for your valuable time and we will meet soon.
All right. Take a seat and have a sip of my